Hello and welcome to TELUS Alert and Assist IVR training. Once you've logged into your portal, you can start by clicking on Personnel and going to Add Personnel. We're just going to need a first name and a last name, and if you have departments enabled, you will have to choose a department. Once that's complete, you can just click Save, and you'll see that it is right in front of you here in the list. Now that this is set up, we need to pair it with an IVR subscription by going to the Administration tab and clicking on IVR subscriptions. We can see here that the only IVR subscription available is the one in orange, as the other one we can see is already assigned to Lindsay. We can click the box next to the subscription, click Assign, and choose our personnel, which is our IVR demo account, and we will just click Save. Once that's completed, we have to go back into Personnel, click on our IVR demo account, and if we click Edit, you'll notice that there is more fields that get filled out in order to activate this IVR subscription. So the first one is your IVR primary contact number. So this is typically the cell number that is being used for the IVR system. This is a way to recognize who this person is, as well as who are we calling if they miss a check-in. So you set up your primary contact number. You're able to generate a unique PIN number, or you can set it up whatever numbers you'd like. You could use 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is going to work. And the IVR dial-in number is always the 1-800 number. It's never going to change. It's always going to be the same. So this is the number you're calling into for the IVR system. You can see here the disclaimer has not been accepted. There has been no name recorded yet. That will happen when you first call into the system. And you can change your check-in intervals. Right now it's set for a minimum of 30 minutes to a maximum of 4 hours. As you can see here, you can change it to a minimum of 10 minutes up to 24 hours, whichever you prefer. There is a lot of additional information down at the bottom here that you can choose to fill out if you'd like to as well. Once that's completed, you just click Save, and we are going to need to add some contacts into this IVR subscription. We can do so by clicking Manage under Contacts. And this is a call flow list, so if you missed your check-in, who will be notified and who's going to accept responsibility for this personnel. So what we can do is we want to move a couple of people over who we want to be involved in this call flow list. So you move them from left to right, and you cannot forget to move them down below into this box. So you can alternate people, have them call a few different people, whichever you prefer. If you accidentally added one too many people, you can just click Remove. And we have the interval down at the bottom set to 120 seconds in between calls. So if the first person doesn't accept responsibility for this demo account, the next person will be called after 120 seconds. Once that's done, you can just click Save, and that part is complete. There is another step we have to do on the Administration tab. We need to set up scenarios. So what we need to do is we need to give the scenarios a name, pick your department if departments are enabled, and select the event type. So IVR Alert, click the down button. We're going to keep the schedule at 24/7. Who do you want to receive an email or a text message in the event that this account sends off an alert within the IVR screen? So if they press *9, who do you want to be notified? You can highlight whoever you want to be notified, move them from left to right, and continue to move down. Now we need to set it up so that this IVR subscription is a part of this scenario. And then we'll click Next and create scenario. We are going to need to set up a couple other scenarios for the IVR subscription. One's going to be the failed check-in. So we'll call it IVR failed check-in demo. Line, scroll down, schedule 24/7. Same thing, who do you want to receive a text message or an email if this person misses their check-in? And we need to move the IVR line over. Once that's done, you can click Next and create scenario. Now that you've completed all that, your IVR line is set up and ready to go. You just need to have the person call into the IVR line with the 1-800 number, set up their name recording as well as accept the disclaimer, and everything should be good to go. And if you have any problems, please reach out to our support team. Thank you.